Okay, here we are with the Albrecht AE6491 NRC. It's a small look to show you what the NRC function is, and then as soon as we get some voices, we'll be back to let you see the difference it makes. And sure, it really does make a big difference. So we're in AM at the moment, channel 19, squelch is open. We use an external speaker for ease of use, and that's the ambient noise level. If you look on the screen, it's around just over 2 S points roughly. The radio has all the, let's turn it down, radio has all the usual functions. Of course we'll put it into FM. You hear it's strong noise, and it's got tone squelch, which is, as it shows, switched off. So we will go into the menu mode. We'll put it to AM first, then we'll put it into menu mode, and we'll go through. You have a Vox level, delay of the Vox, beep for key beep, Roger bleep, color, two tone, light, dim or bright, auto squelch level, NRC, and we're back. So I'll go quiet, turn up the volume of the radio, and we'll go through it again with the NRC first of all on AM. There's the NRC, we activate it. That's channel 19 AM with NRC on. We'll switch it off for a comparison for you. Okay, so that's a small comparison. Go into FM, same. Deeper noise of course, but we can squelch it out. Rotary, not just ASQ. So again, I'll go quiet so you can hear the difference. So we'll exit it with it on. We'll try ASQ, scan. As you hear, this is a problem I found. It's got a robotic voice, but there's nobody there. It's an empty channel. And you hear it's like pick, book, book, pick. So what we'll do, we'll take off the ASC, we'll go to 29, so we'll turn off NRC, boom boom boom, there's no signal there. So we'll go to AM, do NRC again. And scan. And again we have the noise. It's like a digital breakthrough noise, if you can hear. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's like digital breakthrough. but then if you take off the ASQ and let's take off the NRC, because obviously we want to see if there's a voice. There's something there, but it's not a voice, just a noise. So we'll try last time. NRC popped up around 18 months, 2 years ago as an idea, and this is the first radio to show it. It's, see if we can show you or not, I don't know. It's serial number 1, as you can see. Maybe serial number 0001. And, oops, apparently it was my fault. I pulled it out. I know a couple of people that have these now, including Sven in Germany, who also has the funny little sounding noise. Obviously this is a work in progress. This is the first of a very many series of radios with NRC, noise reduction circuit. So we have to wait and see. But this was just literally to let you have your noses and see what it is. Same for me, have a snout around. It's like a quasi DSP, because when you change the channel you'll notice the noise level goes up, then down. Same for AM, but not so much. We've heard a few stations on AM when we've had the NRC on and off, and it's awesome on AM. Just really cool. Brings the voices out like really clearly. But we just need now to get some voices, and we'll be back with that. Try and arrange some people to have a chat to. So we again go ASQ, scan. And we have the same delay on channel 29, but it just seems it's noiseless. So let's try and put on NRC and scan. And there we are. And if we do FM, odd noises. We dropped a message to Albrecht, but the gentleman is, I believe, out of office, so we'll have to wait and see. But this is a quick look at it anyway, to show you how it sounds. I think on SSB it would be wicked, but you just need a manufacturer to invest in it, I guess, for SSB. But otherwise this is multi-EU tone squelch radio. It's got E, UK, Poland and German bands. Can be export modified, I understand, but I have no ideas how. I've not looked because of warranty seal, and you don't want to lose the warranty on something when and if it makes some odd noises. You have to wait a while. So that's NSC, will be NRC even. And we'll be back soon with another look at it where you can hear some people speaking, and that's where you will really and truly tell the difference. So catch you later.